Hi, my name's Rachel and today I'm going to show you how to use live metadata, our Office add-in that simplifies SharePoint metadata management by giving you direct access within your Word documents and Excel spreadsheets. So let's get started.
Metadata is a crucial part of any SharePoint document management system, so it is important that your content is classified correctly. Live metadata makes the process of adding your document metadata simple. Just click on the Live Metadata icon, sign in using your Microsoft Office account, and begin adding your document metadata. Complex field types such as Manage Metadata, Picture Fields, People Picker, and Lookup fields are fully supported. To help you avoid any required info errors, red asterisks indicate when a field is mandatory. Customized display and edit views can be configured. Read-only fields can be set too. Now you can add your document metadata while in dark mode. Live metadata will automatically adapt to your Office colour scheme or can be toggled in the settings. Visit our website and start your free trial of live metadata today.